Like if you don't quit, you're going to be fine. You're going to be golden.
Allie is the remember the movie Bad News Bears?
Yeah.
Walter Matt. Oh, now it's what, Billy Bob Thornton?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
What
yeah.
is it? Was that the one?
I think so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, Allie. I remember saying that about that team. I'm like, ooh, wow, she's got a long road ahead, but she whipped that team up real quick, and
Yeah.
now they're all looking to be sous chefs around the company, or some, or move up, and it's really a testament to how great she is at this. This is like one of her absolute strongest suits, is being able to build a team, being able to mentor, and it's incredible to watch. I mean,
Do you have a lot of cooks right now that are your mentees?
I would like to think so, yeah.
Yes. Yeah, yeah. Don't be so humble.
Well, I mean, they've expressed great gratitude that I take the time to show them the little things, and it goes back to yeah, Chef Aaron, Chef Chase, those first 6 months of Blue Dorn. It's like just you mentioned about the way I set up my cutting board. I was a mess when I walked into that kitchen. They completely like sharpened me, and the way they folded my towels, like I take those little tiny lessons and I tell it to these cooks, because the first way to be like, one, professional, two, successful is organization and cleanliness. So I'm
Right.
like, if you're not clean, you can't move anywhere. And then they'll start cleaning. It's like those tiny little things that I think some people ignore. It's like, no, it's all about the fish in the pan. It's all about the meat being beautiful and medium rare. It's like, no, it's not. Like,
Everything's important.
yeah, everything's important. Do you want to be a chef one day? Then look at everything.
Yeah.
Like, I guess that's my biggest lesson I give them.
And so how do you have like a method that works for you to teach people so that sticks?
I don't know if I do, but it's been working. So I honestly, this might sound maybe silly, but I think it's all about the environment and the energy. In Bar Blue Dorn, I was very big on bringing like a very positive, like, what's the, like, yeah, like humiliation-free, nobody judges anybody, like we're all gonna mess up, it's fine. And I just have that conversation, and I'm like, you don't look very clean right now, like what are you gonna do? And I'm like, do you want to move here? What do you want? Okay, well, whatever goal it is, you don't think that goal needs to start with your organization, like things like that. Like, you don't think that goal needs to start with the way you organize your prep list? Like, they're like, oh yeah. And I take them back to what they want for themselves, and want them to think about how can they get themselves there, and where are they at, and how can they use it here.
Well, we have the largest culinary audience in the world listening right now. Billions of people. I think there's billions at least listening, hopefully. For the young cooks that are listening, and like, let's give them some one-on-one mentorship time with you. New cook in your kitchen. What are some things that you're going to tell them on day one? Like, here, this is how we work here. Let me guide you.
I think it would start with their uniform. I want them to be like comfortable. I want their apron to be clean. I want their towels to be folded. I want them to know that this prep list is their most important list.
Let's slow down.
Sorry.
Towels, how are we folding them?
I have a specific way.
Tell us the specific way, chef.
I want the seams facing up. I want the two top corners to come down. We have a yellow line. Yeah. No, just down. And then I fold it in half. And then that half I fold in half. And all the yellow lines half to be on top of another. It cannot be out of
How many towels do they get?
3.
3. What happens if they dirty them?
So this is what I love about Bar Blue Dorn is, so say all the cooks get 3, right? The grill cook obviously is going to need more. The fish cook is probably going to need more. Whenever they need more towels, they will automatically go, I need a towel. And everybody in the kitchen will throw a towel. They will give up a towel to make sure that that fish cook and that meat cook has what they need. And
That's cool.
that's how they get the other towel.